So, hi guys. I just bought this 112 scale male and female figures from TBLeague. This is a company in China. So I think I ordered it last week. Excuse me, last week, and just received it today. It was quite fast, and yeah, I'll be unboxing this for you guys. So aside from this two body, like the male and the figure, and the male and the female figure, I also finally got the head sculpt of Arnold Schwarzenegger, which is really cheap, and it looks awesome. This is like around 730 pesos, and the head sculpt is really good. Yeah, it's really good, and really fits the figure, the phicen figure I bought. This is I think a 1/6 scale, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, yeah, this is a 1/6 scale phicen. I bought this like a year ago, and I was using John Berntal head sculpt for this, because this head sculpt was really expensive, and finally I found one in China. So enough of this, and let's proceed with the 112 scale figures I bought. So this one, I think this includes head sculpt, uh, hands, and of course the body. So here we go. And yeah, that's my dog. Sorry. Yeah, here's the label. TBLeague. Okay. And just like the phicen 1/6 scale, this also has a nice silicone or silicone rubber feel to it. Nice. Really nice. What's this? Oh, comes with underpants and 3 sets of hands. I hope there's a gun included. Oh no, no gun. So here's the head. By the way, this figure is around 1,800 pesos, Philippine pesos. So just convert it in USD. Yep. Focus on that. Looks a bit like Ben Affleck, but yeah, this is really good. Nice articulations, elbow, arm, torso, legs, knees. Nice. Nice. side. Let's open the female body. Like I said, I think I forgot to buy the complete set with the head. So, well, we can't do anything about that anymore. So this is the TBLeague 1/6 scale figure, female figure. Oh, look, nice. It has the head. This is also around 1,800 pesos. Yeah, made from silicone rubber. Comes with two sets of hands, fists, yeah, hands, and a pair of feet. Okay, and her head. The head. Oh, nice. Like it's like nylon thread. Really nice. You know? But of course, it has the head sculpt is not that good because this is just a generic looking head sculpt. It's okay. Yeah. It also comes with the undergarments, which I'll be putting later after the video. So yeah, arms, joint, all the joints, yeah, almost all the joints, yeah, it's working. I think this has a metallic skeletal yeah. It has a, yeah, it's made from metallic. The I don't know what's called, but yeah, the frame is made from metal, so this is quite durable. But I think this kind of material, the silicone rubber, will tend to be sticky when used regularly. I mean, when posed regularly. So I think what you have to do in order to make this the rubber, you have to put talcum powder. I don't know. That's the advice of my collector friend who owns a bunch of these. So he puts rubber powder on the figures, so it won't be sticky. It won't get sticky. So yeah. So there you have it. The 1/6 scale figures by TBLeague, and I'll be, if you guys are wondering what I'll be doing with these figures, I'm a comic book colorist. If you still don't know, I use this for lighting. When I color my comic books, I always look for lighting reference. Like I set the mood, especially on the face and the body area. I always look for references, lighting references. So I really must, it's a must to have these figures together with this SH figure art figures I had before. Like this is like from 4 years ago. No, this is Figma. I'm sorry, Figma figures I had. But that's why I bought this one, the TBLeague. It's because this is more realistic than the Figma figures I bought. Also, this is these figures are seamless. Unlike this one, that's like, you know, you have these unwanted cuts on the joints, which is, you know, it's not that realistic, and it doesn't help in the lighting I want. So yeah, it's also the 112. I'm sorry, the 112 scale is a bit taller than the Figma figures. I also have this SH figure art figures used also for reference, but this is in manga. Yeah, so I'm not that I don't use manga illustrations, or I don't work on manga illustrations that often. So what I really need was the realistic looking figures for references. So yeah, so there you have it. This was the unboxing of the TBLeague silicone figures I bought from China using Lazada. And yeah, this will make my work easier. And for you artists out there, it's highly recommended. So grab one now, and thanks for watching.